Hello everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yep, we are here right now, but I am going to take you to my string beans plant and all over the place. I'm going to show you actually how I'm going to put my slow release fertilizer. So this is my slow release fertilizer. They're like a beads. So I don't want to show the the name of that fertilizer actually, but for reference to those that are also trying to grow their own food, their own vegetables and plants, I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what I'm going to use this time. This is an expert brand, and this is it said indoor and outdoor plant food, so it feeds up to 6 months. So when you put this with your plants, in a pot like that, or if you broadcast it like what I'm going to do, I'm just going to broadcast it at my raised bed garden with my plants. Yep, I forgot what I'm gonna say next. So anyway, it will gonna last for 6 months, and this is the I forgot how you call it. Yes, I studied this fertilizer 5 years ago. So I forgot what I've studied already, but anyway, this is it says it's a continuous and consistent feeding, so great for indoor plants, bedding plants, shrubs and trees, guaranteed not to burn. So that means it's not gonna burn our plants if we put a just proper amount on our plants. It's actually gonna be on top of the plant, not on the plant, on the soil. So let's go get it. I'm not going to get a spoon or anything, but okay, I'm just going to do like that, and we are going to broadcast it on our plants. Actually, ooh, I think I have that. Let's close it back. Oh, here's the component of that. I remember. So that's 6% of the phosphate, 19%. Oh, look at my fingernails. Yeah, I just pulled some of the weeds earlier, so that's why it's so dirty. I'm so sorry about that. So the total nitrogen is 19%. It has these 10.4% ammoniacal nitrogen and 8.98% nitrate nitrogen. So the phosphate is 6% and 12% of soluble potassium, and the sulfur is 4.60%, and the combined sulfur is 4.60%. So that's the ingredients of this fertilizer, friends. So with all that said, let's go and put some food in our plants. This actually is thriving so good, so I'm not going to mess with it yet, but if one day they need it, I'm going to give them food. But right here, I'm going to give them food just like these. That's how I put fertilizer right here. It actually tells you how much you're gonna put, but since they're doing good here, so I'm not going to put anything. So really, I'm just going to put fertilizer here at my thing, because this look at this, I'm not contented with the leaves because they're so pale. So that's why I thought I'm going to put a fertilizer right here. Oops, don't go to that leaves. So yep, that's just how I'm going to feed them. It still has grass here, but it's all right. I'm going to pull them later, like what I did earlier. And I am going to water it after putting this fertilizer. So this is how easy to put fertilizer here, because I don't want using those other kind of fertilizer because they burn the plants. So that's why I use the slow release. So here we go. So I would like to put some here because I have some plants right here as well. So that's how I do that. We need to fertilize my okras. I forget to put here. Yeah, my okras need it as well. I need to put more soil here. So that's all right now. Oh gosh, that's all right now. That's all I'm going to put there, and I hope they do better now that they have their food. But look at here, my taro. I got taro here, and here I also got one taro here. So they're going to grow this spring, summer, and fall. So I hope I could get some leaves from that and cook it, you know, because they're edible. All of my plants here actually are edible. So that's why I'm so happy I have something to get next time. And here I have ginger plants right here. It didn't grow yet, it's not growing yet, but it will for sure. So that's how easy to put a fertilizer on your raised bed garden. And if you would like to use a fertilizer like this, I always use this fertilizer slow release because 7 years ago, every time I use those liquid fertilizers, it always burned my plants. Actually, I don't know, I always try to follow instructions. Sometimes I don't follow it, I don't put the exact amount, instead I put less, so but it don't work nice to me. So that's why I started to use this slow release fertilizer, and I always have a good plant like this one here. I put slow release right here on fall, and look, they're growing so nice. All of these mints I put slow release right here last fall, so I don't need to put anything yet because it says 6 months. So what, November, December, January, February, March, April. So it's just the 5th month of the fertilizer that I put right here, but I mulched it, so that's why you cannot see the fertilizers anymore, because I put mulch. These are mulch, those things are mulch. I put that there, I mulch it that way they don't die on winter. So but this mints here, I did not mulch them. The only mulch they got was the leaves from this tree. Look at the tree, they're so luscious already. It's so full of leaves so already. Last time there's no leaves at all. But look at that. So anyway, thank you so much everyone. As usual, I would like to thank you all for your support of me and on my channel, of course. I hope you always there for me. Anyway, I am planning to purchase a orchids last week, but from Cormelas, but the deal of the month was changed already 2 days ago, so I didn't get it. I think it's not, no, it's the 31st of March. They changed it already, so I didn't get it. So I am going to decide again which one of their deals I'm going to get this time. Anyway, thank you so much everyone, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.